So YJ have released a core magnetic version of their ZhiLong 4x4. So in the past year, YJ have been messing around quite a lot with their 4x4s. They've done similar stuff with the MGC, although there isn't a core magnetic version available yet. But there is a UV coated version, and also they recently released a UV coated ZhiLong 4x4. So yeah, I wonder what the core magnets feel like. Yeah, so the ZhiLong 4x4 has been out for a few years, and it's 56mm, which when it first came out was significantly smaller than most 4x4s. Now it's not quite so significant because the AoSu V7 is 58 compared to the MGC being 60, and the Vin Cube as well. Be interesting to see what the GAN 4x4 is when it finally comes out. Right, okay, so... And yeah, the ZhiLong 4x4 has always been good. I've just felt the quality control has been a bit inconsistent a lot of the time. So yeah, out of the box this does feel a bit slower than I'd hoped. Maybe it needs some setup. Or maybe the core magnets are just too strong, I don't know. But I'm sure some setup can speed this up quite a bit. Right, let's do a solve on this. Okay, I'm not too mad at getting a 44, but it's not great. So, yeah, at the moment it's just a bit slow, but I suspect that can be fixed with some setup. I do feel the core magnets are quite strong and potentially too strong, but that doesn't surprise me because Cube companies just want to put the gimmicks in of core magnets without any thought of, is it actually a good idea? And if it is a good idea, can we avoid overdoing it? Because there are mathematical problems with core magnets in 4x4s, and they can be counteracted, but because people like core magnets and they think it's some flashy new idea, they think it will work with everything, when it doesn't necessarily, or not in the way you expect. So yeah, my opinion on this right now is pretty simple. It's probably not that good an option, but it might be if it's set up well. But I think the ZhiLong in general is just a bit too small anyway, so I don't know. Yeah, give it a go if you want. It's definitely not a terrible choice, but I think there are better 4x4s on the market that are of a more reasonable size, and the core magnets are positioned better and aren't too strong. And I didn't even start the timer because I'm that stupid. You know what? before I end the video, let's do 4x4 OH on this. I haven't done 4x4 OH in a long time. And, I mean, people do sometimes use smaller cubes for OH. I don't know whether maybe it would work with 4x4 with this one. 4x4 OH, no table abuse, of course. I think that's a PB for 4x4 OH. I mean, I have absolutely no idea because I haven't done it in ages, but 117.57 is actually faster than I expected. I have no idea whether it's because of this cube or anything else, but I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. If you want this, you can buy it at speedcubing.org, but I'd recommend you just get the AoSu V7 or the Vin Cube instead.